Hello! Today you are learning to do something awesome. And if you already know it, leave. What are sour skin shavings? Lemon zest, duh. And dirt water. So you're gonna need a lemon and a grater. There's something greater than you. Wash them and start shaving them like you do those calluses on your feet. This one tastes better. It's gonna get naked and it's gonna look like that. Use it, the lemon, use it today, because by tomorrow it's gonna be so hard. You can break someone's window with it, or you can have it dry, put it to the side for a few days. It's gonna dry. I put mine in a glass jar. Recycle. Add some sugar to it, and whenever you need to, just put some of it in tea, in pancakes, in anything you bake, in whatever you figure out. I'm working on filling that up. And self-explanatory, or really, and don't get too mad. I had to stab it with a chopstick. And yeah, that's it. Ta-da! Now you know something hopefully useful. Lemon zest. Or sour skin shavings, because they look like that. So I had the lemon. Like, what should I do? I don't have any enemies around. Just squeeze it in their eye. So I was gonna put it in tea, and I started. But oh yeah, I did. That was on like empty stomach, and some people, I'm not a doctor, say if you add lemon juice and baking soda together and drinking it on empty stomach in the morning, it helps. Something with alkaline, I don't know. And then the second one with honey, after I did that, another, squeeze some lemon. Oh, I'm feeling it. With honey, mix it together and pour it on your face. It closes the pores, and honey helps. It should. Let's see, am I gonna show you? Yes, it's fizzing. I added a little more because I'm strong like that. And the seeds, it's okay, they all go in the same place. I left them in there. You can mix it or let it calm down on its own, like you need to do with some people. Like, let them calm down. There is the honey. Yay! That was in a separate bowl. Okay, I was like, oh, that's too much. It's okay, I'll figure something out after. They're applying it on my cheeks and on my cheeks. No video of that. Okay, so this was going to be in my tea, and it was so good, the lemon, so delicious, that I seriously left everything in there. Boiled some water, and I forgot to put the herbs. Like, there was no chamomile in it, there's nothing. So while letting it steep and waiting for the color to change, I was was like, wait, I had a moment. I could have put right there some bitter melon or ganoderma, that's reishi. So it was too late. I decided to make it mud water my way. That's ginger powder. I'm gonna show you some other time how I made that. Grapefruit peel powder. I can't even understand my own handwriting. I'm good at other things. That's garam masala. You can put it in on the stove, whatever you make, or in your tea. That's part of the muddy waters. Turmeric. That does not taste good, but it's good for you. And reishi powder. And I got excited and I added too much. Don't do that. Oh, and lemon zest that I already had with some sugar in it. Put them all together and it looks good. It tastes great. Yeah, maybe drink it with a like thick straw. Put it in the go really quick. I don't like it. There, now you know how to make sour skin shavings and muddy liquids, aka lemon zest and dirt water. How do you make yours? Bye.